Hello friends, welcome to the Radeon channel. So friends, today I will talk about AOOSTAR's mini PC with desktop Radeon RX 6600L GPU. So friend, AMD has not made any formal announcement of the RX 6600L graphics card, but this model is clearly gaining popularity through Chinese sport partner and now seeming through mini makers. And friend, the new mini PC is equipped with Ryzen 9 6900HX processor and it is clearly targeting gamers. It uses a custom cooler design, DDR5 4800 memory support, PCIe Gen 4 support and dual 2.5GB networking. The GPU is reportedly located to 100W TGP, which is about 32W less than desktop version, and the card is offered with the same specification though, which means Navy 23XL GPU with 1792 cores, 8GB DDR6 memory across 128-bit bus, and PCIe Gen 4x8 interface. Similar devices like the Minis Forum HX70 90G series were equipped with RX 6600M graphics, which came with the same core specification, but the clock speed was much lower. And friend, the mini PC is now listed at $456. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.